Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you top most 50 plus latest blouse back neck design. Friends, in 2025, blouse back neck design are taking a center stage in ethnic fashion, offering a perfect blend of elegance, tradition. Whether you are attending a wedding, festival celebration, or formal event, these blouse design promise to elevate your ethnic entire look with style and sophistication. Friends, blouse back neck design refer to the shape, cut, and styling applied to a back portion of the blouse, particularly in traditional Indian and ethnic wear. It play a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic of the outfit, especially when paired with saree or lehenga. The blouse back neck design can range from simple and modest to elaborate and bold, depending on the occasion, personal style, and fabric of the blouse. Popular back neck blouse design indicate the classic U-cut, square, and round neck, which are timeless and versatile. For more contemporary look, he hold design, cross string backleg design, deep V cuts are mostly prepared. These styles are often adorned with embellishment like embroidery, beads, mirrorwork, pattern, and lace to add elegance and uniqueness. Blouse backneck design also vary with fabric choice. Net, lace, velvet, and silk are frequently used to create texture and depth. They are often customized to complement bridal wear, festival outfit, or formal occasion, making them a statement feature of a entire look. With a growing popularity of designer and fusion wear, blouse backneck design have become more innovative, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern fashion trend. Ultimately, the blouse backneck design is not just structural element. It is a fashion statement that reflects personality, tradition, and style. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments, and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends and keep watching.